Hey guys, today we are going to be taking a look at the iOS 17 beta number 3. Let's get started. Alright, so the first feature we're going to be taking a look at is nightstand mode. So here I have this wireless charger, and since the wireless part doesn't work that well on it, we're going to plug the phone in just like that. Going to lean it up just like that. And then, with the phone tilted on its side, you can see now we are in nightstand mode. So, from nightstand mode, you can see here's your clock, here's your weather, and then your battery. So, that's nightstand basically, and you can also make it red at night, so you can set up night mode, and then it'll make the screen red, so it's easier to read at night, and so it doesn't hurt your eyes. And you're able to also edit these widgets. So for example, I can touch and hold. I have to do Face ID. And you can see here I'm able to swipe up, change all the different things about it. For example, if I want rather on my reminders, I can hit my reminders. If I'd rather know my events for the day, I can do that. But for now, I'm going to keep on weather. And you can see here, I'm able to just simply swipe, change it. Same with the clock, I'm able to change it to different things. And if you swipe, you're able to get to different watch faces. So yeah, that's standby mode, or nightstand mode, or whatever you want to call it. The next one we're going to be taking a look at is interactive widgets. So first of all, I have to add a widget. For example, the music widget. You can see I could tap it to jump into the app, or if I had other stuff set up, you can see here, for example, a song. I would hit play, and you can hear it starts playing the song, just like that. So that's interactive widget. Next thing we're going to take a look at is the messages app. So you can see here, if I hit more, I'm able to look at all my apps here. I'm able to go to more, and I'm able to do another feature called check-in. So the way check-in works is you need cellular data for it to track you, and B, it's so that you can text this to someone you know, or if you're leaving someone's house, you text it to someone you know, and then you're able to show when you've gotten back home. So if you get off track or something happens, you're able to hit the button on your phone. So it's kind of like a safety feature basically. The next feature we are going to be taking a look at is contact photo cards. So you can see here, if I go to edit on my card, you can see I'm able to just have it my letter and M for my initials. I'm able to show this one I made, which is a picture of me. And you can see I have another one, which is basically the same thing. See, I could create a new one here if I want. I'm able to use the camera, so if I want to just take a picture of me real quick. You can see I could hit use photo. You can see it takes the color of my shirt and it puts it in there. And you can see it kind of blurs out parts of the background. So you can see I could swipe and change it up. You can see there's the wire in front of me. And you can see I can change the color, I can change the background, I can edit the text, so I can make it look different. You can edit the size of the text here too. So you can see here, it looks kind of like iOS 9's time. It's kind of like iOS 9 font. And then if you thick it up, you can see it gets different. You can see I can change my color. If I want, change everything about it. Do backdrops. You can see it kind of blurs out my backdrop a little bit. Makes it gray. And you could do a couple other things with it too. So it's pretty cool. So it's a pretty cool feature. So you can see here, if I do FaceTime audio, you can see the contact card shows up just like that. And you can see I can hit this button, send it to voicemail. Hello. Can you please answer? I'm curious of what you're doing. I mean, I'm in the middle of a video right now, so never mind. I guess I'll call you back. So pick up, please. And you can see with this button, I'm able to pick up the call, and I'm able to answer the call. See? Sorry. And you can see FaceTime audio looks kind of like this. And I can end the call too, to just end the call. So it's a pretty nice feature, and it basically transcribes your voicemail. So if you have voicemail, I didn't know you could do voicemail with FaceTime audio actually, but you can see how that kind of see how that works here. So that's unfortunate. So another big feature Apple emphasized was which is coming to Apple TV, is FaceTime on the Apple TV, which I don't know about you guys, but I've thought about that feature many times, and I've thought about how cool it would be. So the way it works is you take your iPhone and you put it by your Apple TV, and it uses your phone's camera and their continuity technology to make it talk, or to make a FaceTime call actually happen. Alright guys, so that is all the features we are going to be looking at today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys again in the next video. Bye!